Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Saksham and today we have a new product with us over here, which is a flashlight. Okay, now this is not a normal flashlight, this is a camera's flashlight. Okay, so here this flashlight which you're seeing right here, you have to attach it in a DSLR camera or something like that, and you might have seen many photographers taking night photo shoots with these kind of flashlights. So this is one of them only, and this is one of the best also. Okay, so most of the photographers use this flashlight only to create better photos in night time also. So if you also want to watch this video till the end and know all about this, I request you to watch it, and I will also show you all the functions about this and how it looks also I will show you, and every detail also we will go in. Okay, so let's start unboxing it. Okay guys, so here you guys can see this is the packaging of that flashlight. Here you guys can see this flashlight is something like this, and it has so many features. You guys can have a look here. So there is nothing much in this box. Let's directly go inside the packaging. Okay, so first of all let us take out this, and here first only we get to see our flashlight. Okay, so as you guys can have a look, this is so nice bag also. Okay, we get to see this nice bag also for carrying this flashlight. Okay, so here let us take out this one and let us keep this aside for now. Let's have a look at this only. Okay, so here see here, just this is so nice bag. You guys can see fully black, and it is here this part is a bit like leatherish, and this is all very nice quality cloth. And here backside also you will get to see a bit like this kind of hook where you can, I guess you can hold it, like you can put some hook over here and you can hold it, so you get to see these kind of things also. Now let us see inside. Okay, how is our flashlight? Okay, so here this is our flashlight. See there is also given a screen for all its controls. You guys can see, and its model name is given here, and there are so many different kind of buttons to adjust all the settings according to your wish. Okay, there is this rotating wheel also which you can rotate like this, and there is this on off switch. Okay, so here is 3 mode, one is off, one is lock, one is on. Okay, so if you want to turn on this, then just click on like this. This is lock, this is off, so this is on. Okay, so click on and it will be on, but now it is not being on. You know why? Because we haven't inserted the battery. So yeah, this flashlight works from battery. Okay, so now I will attach the battery later, but let me show you some other things. And yeah, I will also show you by attaching this flashlight in my DSLR camera which I have. So if you want to know how we have to attach it, then please watch the video till the end also. Okay, so I will show you everything. We get to see some kind of plugs in this one. If you open this one and then just move it like this, here we get to see some 3 kind like pins, a 3 pin, which is something I guess for it's charging or something like that. You can use it, I guess. And here is given some QR codes, and here is the main thing. Okay, so this is the place where we insert the battery. So now let me also show you by inserting the battery. Okay, now in here for opening this one, here what we have to do is we have to push this one like this. Here this side we have to push it. You guys can have a look. Let me focus it also. Okay, here you guys have to just push it like this and then push it downwards also like this. See, if you just do it like this, it won't open. So first of all push it like this and push it downwards also, and it will automatically come up. Now here inside this you can see it uses 4 AAA batteries. Okay, so AA batteries means that fat batteries which we usually use. So I will show you one which is given in this box only. So this type of battery. Okay, okay, so again for closing you have to just press it, and press it a little harder because it may be a bit tight after putting the battery. So press it a bit harder and just pull it backside. Okay, you don't need to again push this button, this one which we were pushing before. You don't need to push this one, just push it backside. Okay, so now our flashlight is ready. So now how to use this flashlight is, first of all this part here, this part will be attached in your DSLR camera. Okay, so in every top of the camera there will be given this kind of hook, okay, to attach a flashlight. It will be same hook, okay, like this. So don't worry, you will get to see it in every cameras, and you have to just go there and attach it. Okay, so I'll show you by attaching it later, but first of all let me also show you by how to use this one. Okay, so first of all you have to fold this one. Yes, you are right. So here this like this, here you can fold it, because this part only it shows the light, right? From this part the light will be emitted, and this part will be attached something like this, right, in the flashlight. Then if you attach it like this, then if you keep it like this only, the light will go upside, right? It won't go straight to the photo, so you have to keep it like this. Then only if you attach this one like this, and then the light will go straight, right? So like this you have to fold it. And here also, here is given different kind of graphs, so you can adjust it. For example, here you can see here is given 75, 60, 45, that one's degree here is given, so you can adjust it up to how much degree you need. Okay, and then here these are some of the indicator lights in front. So if you have turned it on, or if it is not attached, then these lights will also blink. Okay, so I'll also show you that how it blinks. Okay, so now let's turn our flashlight on. So for that, as I said, we have to put this one in on only, like this. Okay, you guys can see the not look nice in the camera, but in real life it will show that really it is going down and coming up. Okay, some lights. Okay, and yeah, here you can also adjust how much light you want to emit. For example, there is low light mode, high light mode, everything there is. You can also adjust how much quantity the light should come, everything you can adjust, okay, from here. So actually I also don't know how to use this much, so that's why I can't show it to you. I will just show you an unboxing video only. So now let us turn this on. And if you want to check how much light it emits for the first time, what you can do is this red button here, which you have seen, it is glowing, right? You can just press this one. See, the flashlight emitted. So it will not look nice in the camera, right? Because the camera couldn't capture it. Is very fast. Okay, it happens in like less than a second only, it shows the light. Okay, so it happens very fast. So I don't know if you can see in the camera properly or not, but it emits very like a great amount of light. Okay, if you see it from naked eyes, then your eyes will definitely get hot. So that's why I will not show you like this, because here if we show you like this, then see, actually the camera won't get affected, but if you see it directly, then it will be very much affected to your eyes. If we attach the flashlight to the camera, then do we have to press this button and then click the photos? Then you are wrong. Okay, because if you don't need to press this, I just press this for showing demonstration only, that how the light comes. Okay, but if you attach it in the camera and you adjust the settings in the camera to the flashlight mode, then when you click the photo, it will automatically get turned on. Okay, so you don't have to press this button, just press the camera button and it will automatically get turned on. Okay, so now let me show you by attaching it to my camera. Okay guys, so here is my camera. This is a Canon EOS M50 Mark II camera, and I have also made an unboxing video of this camera in this YouTube channel. So if you want to also watch an unboxing video of this camera, then you can watch it. So now I will be showing you by attaching my flashlight into this camera. Okay, so first of all let me turn the screen of the camera on here, so that you can also watch how to set it up. Okay, and we'll take out the lens. Okay. So our camera is now ready to go. Now how to attach this flashlight is, it's very simple. So on top of every camera you will get to see something like this. Okay, so you can see here this silver color one thing. This is the thing where you will be attaching your flashlight. Okay, because on below of this flashlight also you will be getting similar silver kind of thing. So it is very simple to attach. What you have to do is just bring these two together like this, okay, above each other, and then just push it inside like this. Now it is attached. And one more thing, you can also lock it, okay, so that it won't fall, because now if I do like this, then it will fall out easily. Okay, so it is not locked, so I just need to do it like this. And then here is a lock button also. So what we have to do here is this one, we have to push, you have to just slide it that side. Okay, so this one button you can see, just slide it like this. So now one sound will come, after that it will come like tick sound, and then you will know that it is locked. Now see here, it is fully locked, right? So see, my camera is not falling here. See, nothing is happening to my camera. I am only holding the flashlight, and even if I hold the camera also, my flashlight is not going to fall. Okay, so see here, now it is very strongly attached. Okay, so now what we have to do after you attach your this flashlight here is, it is very simple. Okay, after you attach, just turn it on like this. Okay, like this, we will just put it on. Now it is on, right? Now you don't need to do anything, it will automatically be set. See here. Okay, so here in this flash option, this is the flash option. Now see, when I try to press it, here it says that not available when camera accessory attached to the camera hot shoe. Means if a flashlight is attached in this part, then it is not necessary to turn it on and off from here. You can directly turn it off and on from here. That means if you want the flash light, then you can turn it on and then just shoot the photos and videos. Sorry, I mean the photos. And if you don't want the flashlight, you can just turn it off from here like this. Okay, done. Now see here. Okay, I will show you. Now see, I will turn it off and click a photo first of all of this one. Okay, so let's keep the camera lens over here. Okay, now I'm going to click a photo. See, I clicked a photo. So after I click the photo, like you can see, it is something like this. Now I will turn on the flashlight. Okay, and then now I will be clicking a photo. See the difference. See here, it is coming a light also, and here there is no light, right? So this is a bit more brighter and clear, because here the light is also coming and here is no light, right? So now you can choose what type of picture you want. If you want a bit brighter picture, then you can use it. You can also use it at night to click night photos and videos, and it is very useful, right? So like I showed you already. So this was about this flashlight and the camera. Okay guys, so let's see what else we get with this box. Okay, so I already showed you the flashlight. Now I forgot to show you the box, so let me show you now. So there is nothing much in this box. There are just few manuals and a book, okay, for reading how to operate this. Okay, see here, this is the book. You will get one more special thing in this bag, okay, which I already missed out, so I will say it now, which is here. Right here you will get, if you can see or not, here there is one more small pouch, in which if you take out this, then here, now you may be wondering what is this, right? So like if you just don't want to keep your flashlight in this bag and you want to just, you know, like keep it as a display, like to make your room attractive, then what you can do is, this is a stand for the flashlight. Now here you can just attach your flashlight like this. See, this part and this part are same, so it goes like this, it attached. Now here you can put it on a table like this for displaying. Okay, here like this, you can put it either like this or like this, however you want, you can put it on your table for display. So this is a nice stand which you get with this bag. Okay, if you attach this one stand like this, then it will fall out, right? So if you don't want it to fall out, then you can just lock this one like this by spinning it, and it is locked. Now it won't come out. Okay, and now it is ready for displaying. Now it will not come out, no one can take this out until they unlock it. So you can display it like this or like this, and it will also make your room look attractive, okay, if you are a fan of cameras. So guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you also want to know more about this flashlight, then please ask me in the comment box. I will answer all of them questions. And if you also want to purchase it, I'll give the purchase link in the description. Please go and check it out. And if you have any doubts, please say me in the comment box. I will again answer it for you all. Okay, so I already explained you all functions about this. As you saw, this flashlight was very nice. It has every features that a professional photographer needs. Okay, so you can also buy this flashlight, and then you can also improve your photos. So thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.